Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to take off the roof rails from your 5th gen 4Runner. So there's multiple reasons why you may want to do this. One is you got a completely new roof rack, you got to take the old rails off. Another one, maybe trying to fit some crossbars into it that don't really line up with the OEM Toyota rail system. And another reason would be to paint them. So for me, that's my reason why I'm taking it off. I'm going to be painting mine black, but I'll show you guys step by step how to take them off. So as you can see on mine, they're nice and silver. It doesn't really go with the aesthetics of the vehicle that's kind of, blacked out and dark. And the real reasoning behind this is because in another video for you guys, I'm gonna be installing the LFD crossbars. These are their modular crossbars. And these are a nice black finish. So that's one reason why I want to take these off, is to have the silver portion of it be a nice black finish. Now the only tools that you guys should need are these nice plastic wedge removers. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys don't have these. Definitely recommend a microfiber towel so you don't scratch up your paint. And you're gonna need a socket wrench with a 12mm socket on it. And you'll notice when you're looking at the plastic right here, there's this little gasket line in between it. What you're gonna wanna do is just take your panel removal tool and just kind of fish it in between that. And then where the microfiber towel comes in is because you're gonna basically be wedging it, and you don't want your paint to get messed up because of it. There we go. So now just take your socket wrench with a 12 on it. All right, and then when all four are out for your side, just go ahead and just lift right out. And then now your roof rail is off. Look how filthy that is underneath. That is crazy. Also, be careful with how much you're forcing it down. I don't know if you can tell, but there's just a slight little dent now. I'm pretty peeved about it. I don't get how this metal is just so freaking thin from Toyota. The paint is so thin. It's honestly starting to get very frustrating. I love this vehicle, but it's just very frustrating. So just be very careful when you're going down with it. If you can raise it up, try to do that. But the way to pop them off is you have to unfortunately go down just a little bit, but that's very unfortunate. And just like that, guys, it's off. So very, very simple. The hardest part is definitely just doing the plastic, but just remember, go under it, pull down, and kind of pry the plastic up if you can at the same time. And definitely watch out for your paint. So thanks again, guys, for watching the video. Feel free to stick around. The rest of the video is going to keep going with me painting it. If you were just here for how to remove it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. But if you want to see me painting it, what I'm going to do basically is put Plasti Dip on it. Oh my gosh, why Plasti Dip? So I was going to do primer, and I then was going to do like a nice, not super high gloss black, but like a metallic-y black. But then I got to thinking I should just do Plasti Dip. One, because if it gets scuffed up or anything, Plasti Dip, you could just spray right over and it will adhere to it better. There won't be any fading or anything like that. It'll look really good. And I also have a gloss Plasti Dip as well. So I have black, and then I'll put gloss primer on it as well. And now another reason why I wanted to do Plasti Dip is when eventually, if I do a actual roof rack, I could turn around and sell these. And if someone doesn't want black and they want silver, I can easily just peel off the Plasti Dip. So that's why I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the other one off right now, lay these out, Plasti Dip it black, throw them back on, and then I'm gonna make another video for you all about the LFD cross members going on. So. All right, and here it is done, guys, and holy crap, it looks a lot better. I don't know why Toyota didn't do this in the first place, man. That black just looks so good with all the other black accents that the TRD Pro has, with a nice big chrome taillight, but still, oh man, it looks a lot better. If you guys hung around this long, I appreciate you all for watching. It means a lot, and I'll see you all in the next one. All right, see you later.